In today's video, I will walk you through how to use stamp texture wood fiber in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Texture Wood Fiber and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single wood fiber texture stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated wood texture patterns. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the texture stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the texture stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the wood texture later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Texture Wood Fiber brush is designed to stamp wood grain textures as you paint instead of creating each detail manually. It's a good choice when you're painting wooden surfaces, objects, backgrounds, or adding natural material textures to your artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Texture Wood Fiber brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.